Good morning, students. This is class 7th. Today we will study about neutralization reaction. What happens when we add acid and base together? When we add acid and base together, they neutralize the characteristics of both, and a new substance called salt is produced. That means the production of salt with the combination of acid and base is called neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, salt plus water. As sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride plus water plus heat. In this reaction, heat is involved, so neutralization reaction is called exothermic reaction. You should know about exothermic and endothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is released, evolved, is called exothermic, and the reaction in which heat is observed, obtained, is called endothermic reaction. Lime water plus sulfuric acid, calcium sulfate plus water plus heat, CaOH2 plus H2SO4, CaSO4 plus H2O. Importance of neutralization reaction in our daily life. Indigestion. First, our stomach releases hydrochloric acid to kill harmful bacteria, if any present in food. Hydrochloric acid also helps in the digestion of food. Sometimes our stomach produces more hydrochloric acid than required. Production of more hydrochloric acid in the stomach causes indigestion. This condition called acidity. This can be painful and causes pain burning sensation in the stomach. To get rid of such problem, antacid, milk of magnesia, is taken. Milk of magnesia, being a base, neutralizes the effect of hydrochloric acid and gives relief from acidity. Ant sting. An ant or bee injects formic acid into our skin. Formic acid is called methanoic acid also. So the formic acid is injected in our body when ant sting, and our body becomes painful at that point. Rubbing baking soda over the skin gives relief from the pain due to ant or bee sting. The baking soda, which is a base, neutralizes the effect of acid injected by the bees or ant. Another base, zinc carbonate, calamine solution, is also used in case of ant or bee sting. Soil treatment. Sometimes soil becomes too acidic or basic due to excess use of fertilizers, and we cannot obtain products according to our desire. For this, we test the nature of soil. If acidic soil, then it is treated by slacked lime or quicklime. Slacked lime, calcium hydroxide, and quicklime's calcium oxide are basic in nature. Use of slacked lime or quicklime neutralizes the acidic nature of soil. Just when if soil is basic in nature, then we use a organic matter such as manure. Organic matter releases acid and neutralizes the basic nature of soil. Nowadays, It is a great problem of water pollution and dying of aquatic plants or animals due to factory waste. The wastes of most of the factory are highly acidic. If such acidic wastes are flushed into river or other water bodies, acid present in them damages the aquatic organisms and pollute the water. Thus, factory wastes are treated with basic substances to neutralize the effect of acid present in them before being discharged into the water bodies. So if we add basic in the waste and then apply, their acidic nature vanished and they are not so harmful going in the water. Just this chapter is finished and you are advised to learn this chapter well.